Planning to apply to Globson Business School for MBA? This video will guide you through the complete Globson B School's MBA application process step by step. Before starting your application, let's quickly go through the important points you must know. Entering accurate class 10th and 12th marks is compulsory. However, entering graduation marks is not compulsory if your result is awaited. Uploading photographs, signature, class 10th and 12th certificates is mandatory while applying. Candidates can edit their personal and academic details after submitting the form. Selected course can only be changed if permitted by the management. For MBA admissions, candidates must have valid CAT, MAT, CMAT, XAT or ATMA scorecard with at least 50% cutoff. In case of any admission-related queries, contact the number displayed on the screen or write an email to gbsdirect@globson.edu.in. Now let's begin with the application process. Visit the official website and click on Apply Now. Select Program, enter name, email ID and mobile number. Verify the mobile number with the OTP received. Select state and city, enter CAPTCHA, tick the checkbox and click on Submit. Tap on Click Here to continue the application process. Click on Login and select Login via OTP. Enter your mobile number, received OTP and click on Submit. Your dashboard will open. Click on Start your application. The course you are applying for will be pre-filled. In the personal details section, your name, email ID and mobile number will be pre-filled. Fill in all the other mandatory fields in this section. Now fill in the mandatory fields under father's details and mother's details. Select family annual income and click on the forward arrow. Review your payment details and click on Make Payment. You will be redirected to the payment gateway. Choose a suitable payment method and complete the payment. Post successful payment, your application number and payment transaction ID will be generated. Save them for future reference. Now click on Back to Dashboard. Here, click on Continue Application. Fill in the mandatory fields under the address for correspondence. Select Yes if your permanent address is the same and click on the forward arrow. Academic details page will open. Click on 10th drop down and fill in all the mandatory fields. Select your after 10th qualification. If it's class 12th, click on 12th drop down and enter all the mandatory details. Under graduation details, select graduation state and university. Now click on UG drop down and fill in all the mandatory fields. Enter mandatory entrance exam details and click on the forward arrow. Now provide mandatory work experience details and click on the forward arrow. On the next page, upload the mandatory documents and click on the forward arrow. On the declaration page, enter your name and click on the forward arrow. With this, your Globson B School's application process for MBA is complete. Make sure you download your acknowledgement receipt and application form. Keep checking your dashboard for latest updates. All the best for your admission journey and thanks for watching the video.